फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक मेडिसिन है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोक्लोरोक्विन 1-2 रुपये की मिलती है, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है, जो कंपनी को लॉसेस फेस करने पड़े तो उन्होंने प्राइस बढ़ा दिया। तो यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा नॉर्मल यूज़ वैक्सीन है, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है इस मेडिसिन की, तो देयर इज़ अ पब्लिक बैकलैश। तो एज अ CEO ऑफ द कंपनी व्हाट विल यू डू? So monopoly in the case of essentials or profitability in the case of essentials. So the issue of profiteering at the cost of public health, profiteering at the cost of public health. So value of compassion towards the weaker section, empathy towards the lives of the people who are affected because of the price rise of the vaccine, price rise of the medicine, price rise of the medicine. Rationality to be used in the quantum of the price increased. कितना बढ़ाना चाहिए? Rationality क्या है? When there is a courage to change or backtrack a decision that may jeopardize lives of many, that may jeopardize life of many. Courage to change or take or backtrack the decision that will jeopardize lives of many. Rationality and objectivity. So as a CEO of company, it's my utmost duty to ensure the profit of the country. If it undergoes a loss, it is my duty to take it out of the loss and make it a profitable company so that it can sustain in long run. But this medicine is going to affect the life of many, and as an organization, as a part of the society, has duty towards the society. Therefore, I'll do the assessment of the price hike, that how is impacting the lives of many. I will rationalize the price for those who can't afford it. So there is a cross subsidization of the prices if I cannot reduce the price to a minimum. So by doing so, I will demonstrate the capability of taking decision and showing empathy and objectivity at the same time. I will conduct impact assessment. And will price the product differently. So ethical issues, company interest in making profit, and social issues, social responsibility towards public. So making profit versus social responsibility towards public. So that is social responsibility towards public and objective to make profit. Objective to make profits and social responsibility towards public. Accountability for companies' future. So accountability for companies' future. There is profit making and loss making. Compassion towards people who are hit by the price rise of their device. So the company enjoy the monopoly of a life-saving device. So I'll conduct a discussion with the shareholders that we can cut the huge profit to considerable profit. It is going to impact the lives of many. So we cut the price from huge to reasonable. So healthy comes to competitive market versus monopoly. So we can, as a company, we are manufacturing other things there, so we can increase the price of other commodity which is not as crucial as this commodity is. I will try to balance my corporate as well as social responsibility. So as a CEO, it is my right to set prices. Profit versus public welfare, PW, public welfare. I'll ask the government to procure it, as it won't be possible for me to reduce the price after a certain level, and I'll ask the government to provide it at a subsidized price to the needy people. So being a CEO, it is my duty to maintain profit, at the same time save the company from any kind of public backlash and maintaining its good position or good name in the market. So we can cover all the cost that incur in the making the loss plus and mark the price that is affordable to most of the consumer. Duty of the CEO to uphold the public image of the company. So it is my duty to make the company viable. I'll communicate to the people about the reason of raising the price of the commodity of the medicine. That we should use differential price based on the, that is for the life-threatening and non-life-threatening drug, we can different pricing. So as a CEO of the company, I would have taken decision after due thought. So I will not easily change my decision that I have already taken of raising the price on mere backlash, on mere public backlash. So I need to ensure both that is profitability of my company as well as the social backlash, as well as the, so my responsibility lies not only for to the company for the to make profit. Not only to company, my responsibility lies not only to the company to make profit, but also the social responsibility. But also social responsibility of ensuring the accessibility of medicine, especially in the cases where the people's lives are at stake. So I'll see that the people who are poor and cannot afford it, I provided the medicine at lower cost. For this, I can seek the government help to provide them at a subsidized price. So अगर हम ethical issue देखें तो to what does the primary responsibility of private company lies? प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हम पब्लिक कंपनी की, प्राइवेट कंपनी की, तो प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी किसके लिए है? टू द स्टेक होल्डर एंड द जनरल पब्लिक, टुवर्ड्स द स्टेक होल्डर एज वेल एज द कंज्यूमर्स. So there is a responsibility towards stakeholder, towards public, towards the customers, towards the society. Customer, stakeholder, customer हो गया, towards the society. So to whom does the primary responsibility of private company lies? For example, first of all, towards the owner and shareholders of the company, then and towards direct stakeholders, that is those who are directly involved, for example, consumers of the product, and towards society at large. Because society may not be directly affected but indirectly affected by the action of the company. And it is rights and responsibility of a monopolistic organization. Rights and responsibility of a monopolistic organization. Then essential nature of good produce. Profiteering or social welfare or public welfare. There is profiteering at the cost of public health. So profiteering का मतलब होता है unfair profit करना. Profiteering जितना ज़रूरी है उससे ज़्यादा, इस तरीके से unfair profit. So this is profiteering. This is a basic skill. Can the company profit here at the cost of human lives? So profiteering versus public health. Basic value क्या है? Responsibility and basic liability. Responsibility and compassion, empathy, rationality, objectivity. तो कौन कौन सी वैल्यू इन्वॉल्व है? सेरो याद रखना. दैट इज कंपैशन, एम्पैथी, रैशनैलिटी, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी. कंपनी का सीईओ ही अकाउंटेबल है ना फॉर द फ्यूचर, फॉर द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. सो सेरोआ दैट इज कंपैशन, एम्पैथी, रैशनैलिटी एंड ऑब्जेक्टिविटी, अकाउंटेबिलिटी. तो आपको ये नहीं बोलना है कि गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडाइज कर दे, ये प्रोवाइड कर दे, बिकॉज ये गवर्नमेंट की प्रेरोगेटिव है ना कि आपकी. आप एक ऑप्शन दे सकते हो कि ये करेंगे, लेकिन आप पे क्या है, क्या आप बैक ट्रैक करोगे इन द केस ऑफ पब्लिक बैकलैश? क्या बैक ट्रैक करोगे? तो माई डिसीजन शुड बी इम्यून टू पब्लिक बैकलैश, शुड बी इम्यून टू पब्लिक बैकलैश. आप बोलोगे आप बैकलैश इसलिए नहीं करोगे क्योंकि हो सकता है कि कल बोले कि 10 रुपये के रखे 1 रुपये रखो या 0 फ्री में दे दो, तो सिर्फ पब्लिक का बैकलैश हो रहा है. इसकी वजह से आई विल नॉट चेंज द प्राइस, बट आई विल डू assessment. If it's really hurting the people, then I can consider, I'll conduct a meeting with the stakeholders and ask that you have to decrease the price. It will impacting the affordability of the medicine. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए you're writing the answer just for the sake of writing. ऐसा लिखना चाहिए कि आप उसको सच में एग्जीक्यूट करोगे. अगर आप एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रहे हो बाद में कि गवर्नमेंट ये कर दे वो करते, तो मतलब आप एक्शन नहीं लोगे. प्रैक्टिकल आंसर होना चाहिए. So due to public backlash, I will not change my decision. I'll see the reason I have taken decision based on the rationality and objectivity. If there is any change in the objective analysis of the circumstances, I may consider changing my decision. तो बोलेंगे ना, ethical issue is the right and responsibility of a monopoly organization. So as a CEO of the company is my duty to ensure that my primary responsibility lies with the shareholder of the company and my employees of the company. तो लिस्ट जो आपको बिहेवियर को गाइड करते हैं वो क्या होगा? वैल्यूज़. सपोज एम्पैथी, तो एम्पैथी आपका एटीट्यूड क्या होगा? लोग के सद्भावना रखेंगे, लोगों के साथ अच्छा बिहेव करेंगे, तो वैल्यू गाइड करती है आपके बिहेवियर. सो क्या है? वैल्यू, एटीट्यूड, मॉरल एथिक्स, दीज आर मेंटल कंस्ट्रक्ट that guides your behavior. And what is ethical issue? The basic issue that is at stake here, for example, that is responsibility to a stakeholder, to a general public, or right and responsibility of a monopoly organization. So here is a case of good corporate governance. Manner in which when something is governed good, in good manner, so it is called good governance. Keeping in mind the interest are not only shareholder but also stakeholders, it's good governance. So corporate governance, the manner in which corporate decisions are taken and governed, is known as corporate governance. So good corporate governance focus on 3 P's, that is people, profit and planet. प्रॉफिट, पीपल एंड प्लानट. तो कंपनी है, ठीक है, तो किस पे काम कर रही है? प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट पे. और यहाँ पे क्या है? पीपल, पीपल. पूरे कहाँ पे? प्लानट के ऊपर. प्रॉफिट, पीपल एंड प्लानट. तो प्लानट है, प्लानट में पीपल है, पीपल को क्या चाहिए? प्रॉफिट. तो 3 P, प्रॉफिट, पीपल एंड प्लानट. तो कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस, गुड कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस बेस्ड ऑन 3 P, दैट इज प्रॉफिट, पीपल एंड प्लानट. तो 3 P's फॉर्म द बेसिस ऑफ गुड गवर्नेंस. तो 2 टाइप की मोनोपोली है. एक तो मोनोपोली है जैसे रिलायंस एक्वायर कर ले एयरटेल को तो 80% मार्केट आ जाएगा. वोडाफोन एक्वायर कर ले 100% मार्केट आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे मोनोपोली होगी कि ये क्या है? आपने मार्केट को डिस्टॉर्ट करके मोनोपोली है. एक है मोनोपोली फॉर एग्जांपल टाटा इलेक्ट्रिक कार लेके आती है तो एक ही बंदे के पास इलेक्ट्रिक कार है बिकॉज ऑफ इनोवेशन. तो मोनोपोली बिकॉज ऑफ न्यू इनोवेशन. सो 2 टाइप की मोनोपोली है. इट इज़ नॉट बाई कैप्चरिंग इन द मार्केट. सो ये पहली जो मोनोपोली इज बाई कैप्चरिंग मार्केट, व दूसरी मोनोपोली इज बाई इनोवेशन. तो फर्स्ट मोनोपोली इज बाई कैप्चरिंग मार्केट or by innovation. So Competition Commission of India cannot prohibit the monopoly that come because of the innovation. So as a CEO company, it is a primary responsibility to ensure the profit of the company. At the same time, you can provide this to poor people at highly subsidized price.